Create a new project. Name the project fire_alarm and confirm device settings. Create a new Verilog module source file. Define the module's ports, inputs, S for smoke, H for heat, output, A for alarm. Write the logic in Verilog. Assign A equals S, H, this creates an OR gate. Check syntax to ensure the code is error-free. View the RTL schematic to visualize the circuit. Create a test bench waveform to simulate the circuit. Set the input values for S and H to test all scenarios. Run the behavioral simulation. Analyzing the results, the alarm A is active when S or H is active. Simulation successful. The circuit works as expected. Here we have design and simulating fire alarm system by Atul Gaikwad, and thanks for watching.